Mañjuśrī, born from vows so true, your light of wisdom shines right through. Fourfold knowing, soft and bright, guides our hearts with sutra's light.
Softly spoke, all things will pass, like dreams or clouds upon the glass.
To see what's empty, clear and free, is to let go and truly be.
Like moonlight on a quiet stream, wisdom flows through every dream.
Let go the grasp, the fear, the fight, and walk the path of calm and light.
Beside the bed of Vimalakīrti, you bowed in peace and spoke with clarity.
But words soon stopped and silence came, a truth beyond all form and name.
Not noise, not speech, not endless sound,
But stillness where true light is found. Young Sudana asked with open heart, where does the Buddha path truly start?
you smiled and said, begin with care. Your deepest vow is always there.
To walk the vow is not to roam, the path is found right here at home. Through sutras deep, through sacred gaze, Mañjuśrī walks in quiet ways.
He's not above in sky so far,
But near our hearts, just where we are.
he lifts the sword to cut through pain. He reads the text to teach again.
True wisdom isn't cold or high, it shines through love in every eye.
Where kindness blooms and hearts are true, that's where the Dharma lives in you.
Mañjuśrī, your wisdom bright, fourfold teachings guiding light. May we learn your heart of grace and bring calm to every place.
Let our vows serve not just one, but
Shine like stars for everyone.
May just one word I truly say bring peace and light.